I am starting up the morning pages again. Did you ever read Julia Cameron's book, The Artist's Way? I think it's probably the most effective tool for releasing creativity that I have ever heard of. It certainly has worked for me, and I thought I'd try it because I'm working on my YouTube channel. So what it is the morning pages, you take out a notebook, and every morning when you wake up, you write 3 pages nonstop. And it's just dumping the mind on paper. You don't have to write something beautiful. It's not a writing exercise. It's just, whatever's in the mind, you just put it on paper. And you try to do it where you don't pick up the pen. And yes, you can have coffee. It's so amazing that what happens is, like most people, all people, we are thinking the same thoughts. So 99% of what we are thinking is just recycled. It's just every day, just the same old drama. So what happens is we're just like recycling our own thoughts. And when you do the morning pages, you get that drama on paper, and then something else can arise, which is often a creative project, could be a new job, could be a new focus. I mean, you may start writing songs, a play, you might start painting. Anything you are working on, it will help release that creativity. Lots of stories about it. You may know who Rich Roll is, one of the most successful podcasters. He got sober, and in his sober living, he started doing morning pages. And out of that morning pages birthed the entire podcast that he's so successable with. My experience is, when I have done it, it has created major shifts. So, and what I do when I do it is sometimes I go back. You're not really supposed to save it, or you're not looking for something in what you write. You're just getting it out, but you can go back and circle certain things. Like if you are doing a practice where you're working with negative thoughts and you have a really nasty thought that came out, you can go back and circle it and like question it, sit with it, turn it around, things like that. Or if you write something, you're just like, wow, that was just a beautiful sentence. You can go back and circle it. But the idea is just to free you up so that later in the day, something comes out of you that's natural, that's very creative. The last time I did the morning pages, and I have to confess, it's been about 3 years, so I've been really bad with it. I have a really bad habit of having my coffee and starting to work and doing other things. But the last time I did it, I was visiting a friend in Nashville, and we both started doing it. 2 weeks into it, I got an idea for a new comedy show. And I got so excited, and I just started writing it. And I found myself 1 month later in Edinburgh, Scotland, at the Edinburgh Fringe, performing a 1-hour comedy show that I had written in like weeks. And it just poured out of me. And it was because the morning pages released that to happen. So, wow, what's going to come of this YouTube video channel now that I start the morning pages? Let me know your experience. If you try it, what happens? Let me know. And have fun with it. And feel free to burn those pages when you're done.